Welcome to Oudrie, an agent team to complete your various customized tasks at highest accuracy. We demo how Oudrie is able to complete diverse BigQuery and Google Sheet tasks. We use Google Cloud, especially Workbench in Agent Platform to run Oudrie. The skill folder consists of 4 skills, is to equip agent team with robust pattern recognition and problem-solving skills. In this agent_system code, we used Google ADK for Agent Framework, which consists of Agent Coordinator, BigQuery Agent, and Google Sheet Agent. Then for the agent's brain, we used Model Gemini 3.6 Flash, the latest Gemini model capable for fast and accurate reasoning with efficient cost. BigQuery_tools and Google Sheet_tools are MCP server as the agent's tools. And run_task code is for the task completion automation. To start the automation, we run this syntax to provide Google Sheet links and tab for the task list and task archival. Notice here that we strictly do not chat the agent. After syntax entered, let's go to the Google Sheet tab, Task. We will simulate 7 different tasks here. Each task has detailed steps from start to end to be recognized by Oudrie skills. Every task was truly delivered by agent. From this edit history check, the Vertex Express is an agent. Compared to my number, they are matching using Androphnatius as my Gmail account. These second and third tasks column A and E about sales discrepancy was completed with still missing column name. So from total 7 tasks, 3 tasks are good and 4 tasks need rework. For those 4 tasks, I put the feedbacks in tab Tasks, then restart the automation. The automation then do rework on only those 4 tasks. The reworks are done, so let's check the result. Oudrie automatically put the rework version just below the first version. The second, third, and 5th tasks has been completed good, with more proper column names. Besides capable to improve, Oudrie naturally could accomplish tasks with diverse steps, without us to frequently editing the context in skills. The multi-steps are completed smoothly because we designed that the temporary JSON files are always being passed between agents' communication. We also avoid putting huge amount of context in Oudrie's skills since beginning because it will confuse the agent. Instead, let us human create detailed multi-steps to-dos, since it is just one-time heavy work. Then let Oudrie recognize it, then make handoffs planning, then execute it. In the last task, besides U.S. agriculture census taught inside skill context, Oudrie capable to recognize new data source, for example Iowa liquor sales, and make analysis of it, as long as the dataset description, schema definition, how data structured is written in the task. For the rework tasks, in the task list Oudrie deletes the previous approvals and feedbacks, so user is able to review again the tasks. When all tasks are fully approved, user could run again the automation. Then all approved tasks are copied by Oudrie to tab Archive Tasks, including closing timestamp to indicate when user approved. Finally, the approvals and update timestamp in tab Tasks are cleared out by Oudrie. So the next time automation running will be able to execute the task list again. Good news! Cloud Run was deployed to replace syntax-based method to simple one-click button to let Oudrie execute the tasks. Here are Vertex AI logs to show Oudrie real action. That wraps the Oudrie demo. Thanks for watching.